The Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. Once they receive the awareness empowerment of royal investiture, they will shine out like blazing jewels. When they receive the empowerment of luminous awareness and are introduced to the meanings of the symbols, they will have no pride. They will spin into unity with the wisdom of knowledge. The mudra of playfulness will be clear to them without distortions, and due to the specific qualities of unsought awareness, they will shine out like the jewel light of the true attainment. So he spoke. From the Great Tantra equal to the end of the sky. This is the 16th chapter, Becoming Successful Without a Search. Teachings on Good Works that are Effortless. Then the holy Sattva Vajra addressed the Tathagata Vajrasattva with these words. The playfulness in the bodies, speech, and minds of all the Buddhas of the 3 times dawns on us without a search, and our good works are spontaneously completed without work. This is the substance of all self-luminosity. Lord, this is what I ask. Please make it work with the way things are, that the good works we engage in and the good work of unsought awareness are joined together. Then the Tathagata Vajrasattva proclaimed these words. O Mahasattva, spontaneously achieved awareness is not to be sought. Having no position and being self-originating are not 2 things. This is spontaneously completed good work, without origins or applications made by dualistic conceptions. The blessings of awareness are spread forth as if there were endings, but the details of their non-existence are inconceivable. Our minds are engaged in a luminous mirror. Spontaneously perfected good work that is effortless is a circle of bliss, a light of wisdom. It exists just as it is, luminous. Whatever there may be is perfected in this single awareness. The light rays of this heap of jewels spin into duality and then beam out again. They don't do anything. Each and everything is doing the good work of our awareness, which does everything. The clarity of unsought wisdom is equal in all things. It pervades everything. The good works of effortless awareness are deeds that have no position. They spread out like light. Our deeds are primordially done. There is nothing to do. The work of the highest Vajra sky is to stick our awareness onto the path of happiness. We use the way of self-apparent awareness to open the door of the methods of the mirror of wisdom.